Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome everybody. I hope you enjoyed my day-by-day unboxing of the Snazzi Scrappin Advent box. I'm now going to go backwards and show you everything that was included in the box. So Christmas Day today, we had the 36 sheets 8x8 from Pretty Kitty, or it's Pretty Kitty from the Paper Boutique, I should say. 24th, we had All Around Christmas Stamperia collection in 8x8. 23rd, we had a very special stamp set from Darkroom Door, and it's red rubber. I'm going to lose count of the days. And then we had the pinwheel die, which is designed for Australian size cards but could be used for absolutely anything. If you only work in US size cards, it will still work. You just need to mat and layer a little bit differently, that's all. But beautiful. An 2D embossing folder, really lovely florals. Then we had an Easter egg border die, very nice. We had a celebration stamp set, so you've got fireworks, you've got Happy New Year, time to celebrate, it's your birthday, and small firecrackers and some the fairy flowers, as I call them. Then we had some cogs and chain ephemera with the made out of chipboard, and we had a little, I call it a Holly Hobby, little girl die cut. I can't remember, I have no idea what number we're up to, so this was number 15, I know that because I put the thing on there. That is the chalk paint from Minte, and that can be used on those chipboard elements that we had. Then we had, this is so sweet, it's a stamp and die, and then we've got 12 sheets of sea themed paper. That was really, really sweet, that one. Then we have some floral ephemera, and it's like a peachy, apricot-y kind of toning. Then we had a beautiful heart with floral die, and a mini Polaroid die, ultra fine gold glitter, another 2D 6x6 embossing folder with a daisy and leaf design, a nutcracker die with a Christmas ornament, a pair of ultra fine, very sharp tweezers, excellent for taking the backing off red liner tape. We had a pack of matte layers, one in pastel, one in bright, both got 20 sheets in there. We had Make-A-Wish with a little label die. We had a 10 metre ribbon pack, all different sorts of ribbons. We had a sweet little stamp set of winter kitties. We had an ephemera pack from Stamperia, All Around Christmas. Have a magical day die, a nice swirly script. And the first day we got these lovely handmade with love stickers, which are perfect to put on the back of envelopes or the backs of your cards. So that's it, that was 25 items, and I honestly don't know how it all fit in the box. It's only just fitting now and they're unwrapped. So it is jam-packed, full of value. So will I be buying the Advent box next year? Yes, I will, because there is so much value in that. I can't remember off the top of my head how much it was, but they always put at least double the value of what you pay. And I'm pretty sure Snazzi Scrappin do mail worldwide as well. So thank you for joining me in every day in December for the unboxings, and I hope that if you did get this, that you will find value out of it, and if you didn't get it, that it might inspire you to get it next year. Have a lovely Christmas, everyone. I'll see you maybe in the new year. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.